Want to boost your brand's credibility and unlock Trustpilot's full potential? Then you need to verify your account with a domain email, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Trustpilot business account. Once you're in, navigate to your account settings or the section that displays your verification status. Usually, it's prominently displayed on your dashboard, prompting you to verify. Look for the Unverified Status message. It will likely have a button or a link that says Verify Now, or something similar. Click on this button to begin the verification process. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your business email address. This is the crucial part. Make sure you're using an email address that's associated with your company's domain, like info@yourcompany.com, and not a generic one like Gmail or Yahoo. Type in your domain email address carefully. Double check for any typos to make sure it's correct. Then, click on the button that says Send Verification Email. Head over to your inbox for that email address. You should receive an email from Trustpilot almost instantly. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the email from Trustpilot, and you'll find a verification link inside. Click on this link to confirm your email address and complete the verification process. Clicking the link will redirect you back to Trustpilot, and you should see a confirmation message stating that your account is now verified. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your Trustpilot account with a domain email, significantly boosting your brand's trustworthiness.